Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. Now to do that, first tap on the three icons in the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the Bluetooth icon to make it turn blue, then click on the arrow icon next to it, and then put your device into pairing mode to see it on the list of available devices. Now I cannot tell you how to put your device into pairing mode. If you don't know how to do that, check the manual to your device. Once you see it on the list, click on it to connect to it. Let's try again. Okay, and right now I am connected to this headset. Now if I go to more Bluetooth settings, right here, if you want to unpair or disconnect from your device, then tap on more options on the three dot icon next to your device's icon, and then either disconnect to disconnect or remove device to remove the device completely. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.